In this video, let me show you the way that you use the SoFi Vault Saving Gold feature. So this is a feature within the SoFi platform that allows you to create multiple vaults that have the high yield savings, and you can create up to 20 active vaults so that you do not need to create separate bank accounts or separate savings account for your specific goals. In order to create these vaults, what you need to do is from the app of SoFi, you need to head over to the banking section, head over to more options, and there you'll be able to see or tap on the option which says add new vault. Within the vault, you will be able to select a category for your goals as well as name those categories. You'll need to add in your target savings amount and your target date to track your timeline. Once you add in all of your vaults, you'll be able to see something like this, which says your vault's name and the total amount that has been deposited. As I said, this process allows you to create up to 20 vaults, and every dollar kept in them continues to earn SoFi's high yield interest. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the SoFi Vault savings for gold features. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.